So one thing I did want to check is whether the K&N filter that I received actually fits the stock airbox. So here I have the factory paper filter. You can see it's pretty flimsy, although it's actually not in bad shape. And here is the K&N air filter, and let's just do a quick check to see if it fits. Even with the plastic on, it appears to fit okay, so that's a good sign. I had read on one of the reviews on an order for the filter that someone had received the wrong airbox. I understand those types of things happen, but I figure I should at least check before I take it out of the plastic. And also, I think I had mentioned in one of my original videos, I had started to, I'd used some glue to fix the seal that goes around the part of the airbox that attaches to the fender well, and someone in the forums had suggested replacing this with something a little bit stronger. I did pick up some like weather stripping material at True Value, and after looking at it for a little bit, it didn't seem like it was going to I wouldn't be able to manipulate it enough to kind of get the circle shape and make sure, and I didn't feel comfortable that it was going to be sealed as well as I'd like it to. But I did find out that Late Model Restoration has a replacement part for this. So I went ahead and ordered that, and hopefully it'll be here in the next couple of days, so I can go ahead and make sure that my stock cold air intake setup is sealed and I feel comfortable driving. So.
So here you can see the seal that I had earlier attempted to fix with some glue. This is on the air intake box, and here is the part that I got from LMR again. So it should be just a direct replacement. I just need to clean this, pull this off, clean it up, and then make sure this is on and sealed. Put the airbox back together and put it back on the car. Okay, that took a super long time, but it's pretty close to perfect. Definitely a lot better than it was a few minutes ago. And by a few minutes ago, I mean like 30 minutes ago. Holy crap. So that's a lot better. It was a little bit nerve-wracking, but it seemed to fit okay. There's the assembled airbox with the K&N air filter. So it's not, there's still a little bit of a gap here. I wonder if maybe I need to change the hardware, but it, for the most part, looks okay. Definitely better than it was before disregard the extremely dirty engine bay. I have plans to do some sort of detailing at some point. So that's one more thing I'm done with, and well, for the most part, one less thing to worry about at the moment. And of course, we can't forget about the importance of sticker power. This one is definitely good for at least 5 horsepower. This one, maybe just 1 or 2, but we'll have to test it out. Let's do it over here. There's more space. Now everybody knows that I have serious power. Serious power. Stop. Do not discard. All the extra horsepower. All of it. So yeah, this was just a short video to show the fix to the airbox. If you are returning your Fox Body 5.0 to stock intake and you have any problems with the seal, I would definitely recommend just getting the one from LMR. I mean, unless you're really good at or creative with window stripping, or if you could find a piece that is easily manipulated. And yeah, so the intake's back to stock, except for the air filter, K&N. So that should work for the time being. Thanks for watching.